Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy New Year's. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys how I achieve my sleek slick back puff on my short natural hair. Right now, I'm just showing you guys what my hair looks like and how short it is after I recently cut my hair. I didn't do it professionally. I literally just went in my mirror and started cutting away my ends, which were brown. So yeah, with that being said, my hair is probably uneven, but guess what? I don't care because I know it's gonna grow back. After choosing which part that I want, which was a middle part, I just like to section off my hair so that it will help prepare putting this all into a low ponytail. Right here, I'm just showing you that none of this is even, so don't worry if your parts are not even because it's all gonna get slicked back anyways. Then I take my Shea Miracle Bouncy Curls pudding and just apply this all throughout my hair. I actually started using this product when I was in high school, and that was maybe 2016. But yeah, so I use this Bouncy Curls pudding along with some type of oil. Any type of oil is fine. You know, you just don't want your hair to be dry. You want it to be oiled down. And then I take my Styler Gel as well. Yes, I still use this, the argan oil type at that. And then I just apply this all throughout my hair and brush all of that out. You know, you always got to keep the spray bottle with conditioner on you, just for when your hair feels like it's getting dry. You want to keep it moist, especially when you're trying to achieve a slick back style. So yeah, the rest of the video, you just want to keep brushing and applying as much product that you feel your hair may need. Everybody has different porosity types of hair. So my hair is high porosity type, which basically means that it takes in the moisture, but at the same time, it doesn't keep it. So throughout the video, you'll see me adding more of that Shea Moisture Bouncy curling pudding, whatever, you know. You'll see me applying it a lot because my hair just literally sucks all of that in. Now, unlike the back side of your head, y'all see how I didn't really spend a lot of time combing the back, but in the front parts of my hair, you'll see that I do spend a little bit more time detangling my hair with my brush. That's because I feel like I want my puff to appear to be big, even though my hair is short right now. I want it to appear to be big so I don't detangle my hair all the way in the back, because I feel like it gives it that volume. But in the front, since we want to slick this down, you want to make sure you go through your hair with the brush as best as you can. Now, I know some people have found it very challenging to find the right product for their hair, whether that is moisturizer or gel that doesn't flake up, like kind of like what you see in the video, or leaves like the white cast. But for me, I know that this product doesn't stay white. Like you'll see later on in the video how it eventually disappears. I'm not sure if that's because of the porosity of my hair or if the product just goes well with the gel. And yes, my hand was starting to hurt. Y'all natural curls know the problems. If you know, you know. Now you just want to take like a regular soft brush to smooth that out. And of course, I'm gonna add more product because like I said, I don't want my hair to feel dry. And yes, it looks terribly white right now, but you'll see how my hair eats it up. I just thought I'd slow down the video right quick. Y'all see the curls, okay? Y'all see the curls popping. I swear by this Denman brush, y'all. I have used this brush since I was in high school. That was 2016. Like I said, I have been natural since my junior year in high school. But anywho, yeah, y'all see the curls. More natural hair videos coming soon. So we finally got this bad boy slicked down, y'all, and I'm gonna go in with some more product and then I'm gonna take my Styler gel with my edge brush and just smooth my edges out. Now I'm gonna take my scarf. It doesn't really matter which scarf you have, but I always use this kind. I actually got this scarf back when, you know, the wraps, y'all know what the wraps were, when you had a perm and you had to sit under the dryer for that long behind time and then they wrap your hair. Yeah, the roller set stuff. Yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about. Anywho, yeah, it doesn't matter which scarf you have, but you just want to wrap your hair up and kind of like preserve it for however long you need to. I like to do it overnight. I feel like I get the best results then, but you can honestly leave this on for like 30 minutes. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I probably kept this thing on for like 2 to 3 days straight, but only because I don't really go anywhere. But y'all see the outcome. And then I just like to take my spray bottle with conditioner and spray my hair again just to like keep that moist kind of, oh, I just put my hair in a ponytail, you know, kind of look. Yeah, even though I didn't, but now we finna finally do our edges. I'm only doing one side in the video because I actually was about to go somewhere after this, so you know, I really didn't have the time to record me doing both sides, so I just did one side for y'all. But y'all get it. Y'all know how to do y'all edges. Oh yeah, I forgot to add that I use Styler Gel, but I also use this new TruEDGE controller. I think it's the peach smell kind. It don't really matter honestly. But yeah, I love this thing. Let me tell y'all about this. This thing keep your hair in place like for such a long time. Literally, my hair does not budge once I apply this. And honestly, you can apply this first before you even use the Styler gel. You don't even have to use the Styler gel, but I just like to use the gel and then go back in with this just to make sure my edges are not going anywhere. All right, we're gonna apply some more moisture for the last time, and then we're gonna throw that bad boy back up in the microwave because it ain't hot yet. It's getting there, but it ain't hot yet. This is normally the time where I apply my makeup, but I was being lazy, so I really didn't apply makeup before I left out. I did take my pick and started picking out my puff a little bit more. And we're finally done. So I just wanted to thank you guys for sticking around this long to see how I achieve my slick back puff. Feel free to accommodate to whatever you may need and subscribe to my channel.